Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics quickly. Start with the absolute basics. Physics builds on itself, so a strong foundation is crucial. Focus on understanding the core concepts and principles first, rather than just memorizing formulas. Ensure your math skills, especially algebra and calculus, are sharp, as they are the language of physics. Spend about 20% of your study time on these foundational elements to ensure a solid grasp. Physics is best learned by doing. Don't just read, actively solve problems. Start with simpler examples and gradually move to more complex ones. Try to explain concepts in your own words, perhaps to a friend or even to yourself. This active recall and teaching method significantly boosts retention. Aim to spend at least 60% of your study time on problem solving and active engagement. Physics isn't just about equations, it's about understanding how the world works. Visualize the scenarios described in problems. Drawing diagrams, like free body diagrams, can clarify forces and motions. Connect new ideas to everyday experiences to build intuition. Seeing how different topics interlink will deepen your overall comprehension and make complex ideas more accessible. Consistent review is vital for long-term retention. Create concise summaries of key formulas and concepts. Practice solving problems under timed conditions to simulate exam environments and improve your efficiency. Pinpoint the areas where you struggle most and dedicate extra time to them. This strategic approach ensures you're not just studying, but studying smart, maximizing your learning in a shorter time frame.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.